the 5 points of a high converting product page. Here we have strong visuals, compelling copy, social proof and trust signals, transparency and simplicity. Strong visuals. The visitor will see the main image and gallery images. For the main image, here we need to have a clear product image. If possible, you can use a product video. Try not to use technical diagrams for this main image, and always use good high resolution images. For the gallery images, you can use a mix of images and videos, and for those images we can use images that explain something, images with the product in a real situation, images that shows real size, and try to use the best angles for this product. Compelling copy. Here we have the title and the description. The title should reflect the product with precision. If this is a mouse, call it a mouse. Here you can integrate SEO keywords but without forcing it. For example, if this is a wireless mouse, you can say wireless mouse. If it's compatible with Mac, try to use wireless mouse and specify Mac OS as compatibility. If it's compatible with Mac and Windows, wireless mouse, Mac OS - Windows. Simple. The title should be clear and should answer the question, what is it? A mouse. Description. The description should tell a story if it's relevant to the product. The description completes the information gap that visuals can explain. Things like size and materials and autonomy. Here also you can use SEO keywords without forcing it. The description should use clear and simple words, because simple words are easy to understand. Social proof and trust signals. Here we have reviews, real photos, guarantees and bonuses. For reviews, try to request reviews from customers and display these reviews with the ratings as high as possible in the product page. Real photos. Real photos help visitors to imagine themselves with the product. Display the real photos next to the reviews. Guarantees. Try to implement an easy return policy, simple refund process, and things like 2 years guarantee. Bonuses. You can try free shipping and mystery gifts. This will boost the conversion rate. Build long-term trust with transparency. No hidden fees and show details. No extra fees for weight and size shipping. No extra taxes. No packaging fees. No extra distance fees. And show details like real size, the materials, the limitation of the product, what does and what doesn't do, and who is for. Remove friction with simplicity. You should simplify the buying process to as less steps as possible and remove all the unnecessary steps. The buying process should be: I see it, I decide if it's a good fit for me, I balance the cost, I click on one button, fill the details, choose the shipping and pay easily. Try to remove the necessary of an account, limitation options for shipping, limited options for paying, the email confirmation step, long time for shipping, slow website loading, elements that are not working, and confusion information. Try to optimize the product page and you'll see the conversion rate increase. How do you measure the conversion rate? First, you take two measures, one initially and one after a month, after you implemented the optimization. Measure the visitors, initiated carts, products added to the cart, initiated checkouts, the orders, and then calculate the conversion rate. The conversion rate can be calculated simply. You need the orders and the visitors, you apply this formula, and for example, from 1000 visitors, we generated 200 orders, and we have a 20% conversion rate. For those who don't know me, my name is Robert, and in the past 10 years, I've been working with entrepreneurs from different industries, with small and big companies. but all was struggling with online sales. So I'm here to share what I learned from my experience and create solutions to solve this problem. Leave a comment if you have a question, a like and a subscribe if this was helpful for you, and see you in the next video.